Okay, so the deal with the Rainbow Hard Floor tool. I don't really like it that much. It is soft bristled horsehair, but the thing is though, the airflow inlets aren't as big as they should be in the front. So when you are trying to clean hard floors with pet hair, not just sand and dirt and grit, but with pet hair, long and short, doesn't matter, it will get caught on these brushes, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so here is what I have been so excited to show you. This is the hard floor dusting brush attachment turbine tool for any canister vacuum that will fit this hole right here. So it uses the airflow of the machine to spin this brush. You can see there's a super nice seal right here. This high quality seal here. Non-marring wheels on all four. You can remove the brush roll right here with a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, or a coin. And there's a felt tip here, so if you want to take this on rugs, you can, to try to remove the hair, but it's really designed for hard floors. You can see there's nice airflow inlets at the front, and when you set it down on the ground, you can see that it seals almost like super, like it's amazing. Like there's airflow inlets at the side, and there's airflow inlets at the front. This is going to be amazing. And you can see it has this channel here to allow the airflow to spin the brush roll. So this will hopefully prevent this from being a problem. So you're going to see how well this air turbine performs. You can see it sucking it in from the sides. Look at this clump of fur. Look at it pick up all that rice. Wow. This is so good. It's doing such a great job. Look at that. It's going to suck all that in. Look. One pass. This was all from underneath the center island. And it's so quiet. You can't even hardly hear the brush spin. But look at it, how it just sucks everything right up. It's getting this floor spotless clean. Getting up all the dust and the hair and the dander. Nice swivel neck. That brush spinning. Picked up that big thing. Alright, now we're going to do up against the edges. It cleaned all the way up against that edge beautifully. Oh, look at that. There's a straw blended in with the white. Let's get this all nasty. Look at that. Sucked it all right up. There's all this right here. I think that's flour or sugar, powdered sugar. Do all up in there. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? You probably just got a nice view of the cupboard right then. My apologies. I was looking at what I was doing and not the camera. There's the straw again. Look at that, how it just sucks that all right up. Right up against the edge. Right up against the edge. Super strong power from the rainbow. Look how it just cleaned the crevice. Let's clean up against this edge here. This is a nice dirty area over here. Let's hold the camera with a different, there we go. There we go. And it's nice and clean. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that makes me so happy. If I go from this way, it'll probably be better lighting. But look at how it just sucks it all up. That's amazing. This has done such a fantastic job at cleaning these floors. This is so good. Getting ahead of myself. Here we go. Look at that. Tucked it right in. Look at it pick up that clump of hair right there. Oh yeah. Alright. So that is about everything in the kitchen that we were able to get up. It has done a very, very great job at cleaning and removing all of the dust and the dirt from the floors. So let us take a look and see what the brush roll looks like. Okay, so this is what the floor tool looks like after. There is not any near as much hair wrapped around this as it would be on that floor tool. You can see a couple long pieces of fur. That is all compared to how much hair was wrapped and on the other floor tool. That is way different, as you can tell. I really prefer this over this. This is outdated. This is the new. This is amazing and I love this, and I hope you are able to get one before they all run out of stock. But let's take a look at what we were able to get up. I let my house go so I could make a nice video for this product. As you can see, this is everything we were able to pick up. It killed me to let my house get that dirty, but I did it for you all. So I hope you're happy with the results of this video like I am. Please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. If you would like to purchase or read any further reviews of this hard floor tool, turbine head, please click the link in the description below.